3, 2.
Hello, my name is Savannah Clary, and today I am submitting my informative speech 2. It is about the structure and use of the eye of the mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp, oddly enough, is neither mantis nor shrimp. It got its name because the mantis shrimp has a punch of 50 miles per hour, one of the fastest in the animal kingdom. A praying mantis, to kill its prey, also punches, and that's where it's got its name for there. The mantis shrimp looks very much like a shrimp, but it is a different species, thus the name shrimp. This organism is actually part of a family called the stomatopods. There are over 500 different species of mantis shrimp, and they are found in very tropical waters. Tropical waters such as the Great Barrier Reef here, right around Australia, in the Indian Ocean, and also here in the Mediterranean Sea near Europe. Now, the mantis shrimp is fascinating first and foremost for its eye. Its eye has the capability of seeing ultraviolet and infrared light because it has 12 photoreceptors. A typical organism will have 3 to 4 photoreceptors. That allows for the sight of green, blue, and yellow light. We are not able to see all of these other colors because we lack these photoreceptors, and it's been puzzling to researchers why they have such a higher complexity in their vision. Some researchers are starting to think that it is because they use it for communication and for seeing in their very contrasting environment in the coral reef. They use this light to communicate because they're using circular polarized light, which they shine off their bodies to send messages to other mantis shrimp. They do this especially when they're mating and when they're displaying aggression. Recently, researchers have found that it's mostly the males that are able to see the circular polarized light, but all mantis shrimp have the 12 photoreceptors to see the infrared and ultraviolet light. The eye of the mantis shrimp is separated into 3 regions. There's the top region and bottom region, which are the largest. And then in the middle, it's more of a band. The middle region is where a lot of the magic happens. That is where the specialized cells are located in order to see the infrared and ultraviolet light. These eyes are very specialized because they are standing on stalks on the head of the mantis shrimp. The eyes are able to move independently of one another and are able to go in all directions, rotating around. They can be up, down, and sideways. I have been very interested in marine life for a very long time. In high school, I ended up with the opportunity to volunteer for UNCW's Marine Quest. I was able to learn a lot through working with the different college students who also volunteered there, and I was able to participate in some of the research that they were doing. I was first introduced to the mantis shrimp there, and that's where I found it so interesting because they taught a class in which I aided in the presentation about the mantis shrimp. I hope that you all have enjoyed this presentation today and have learned something new. Stay safe in these trying times.